Every month, it's the same mystery. I make decent money, but by week 2, my account is empty. No big splurges, no fancy nights out. So where is it all going? Well, sometimes I pick up a little treat for myself. There's coffee in the mornings before work. And all my subscriptions to watch all the things. I felt guilty, frustrated, even embarrassed. I'd scroll through my statements like a detective at a crime scene, but nothing made sense. I'd often spiral into circles, recalculating my budget and reviewing my statements. It's heartbreaking feeling like you're working for barely nothing. So I decided to investigate. I tracked every dollar for 1 week. That's when I found it, the invisible expenses. Subscriptions I forgot, takeout that added up, small daily swipes that quietly stole my progress. Buying lunch at work, trying my luck by playing the lottery a few times a week. Does this sound familiar? Every little bit adds up to be a lot over budget frequently. I had to figure out how to do better. It wasn't that I was bad with money, or that I had way too many expenses. I just didn't have a clear system. Like breaking my paycheck down every time I got paid, to see what would be due within that time period. That's when I discovered the Boss Budget Tracker. It's not another boring spreadsheet. It's a simple, guided tool that shows you exactly where your money goes, helps you stay on track, and actually makes budgeting easy to stick with. You can literally start seeing clarity within your first 7 days. Included in the tracker, there's a no-spend challenge that I started listing non-essential things of the week I can stop buying to free up cash. There's a paycheck tracker to break down my pay every time I get paid. It also provides a monthly tracking page to stay ahead and plan for bigger upcoming expenses like birthdays, holidays, or even a goal to buy a home. After using it for 1 month, I found over $200 in wasted spending. By week 2, I finally felt in control. My budget stopped being a source of stress, it became a plan for peace. You can start today, and with flexible payment options, it's never been easier to take control of your money. Don't wait until next month to solve the same mystery. Your money story doesn't have to be confusing anymore. Take charge, track like a boss, and finally see where your money really goes. If you're ready to take charge of your money, start with the Boss Budget Tracker. It's simple, fast, and made for people who are tired of guessing where their money goes. You don't have to wait, you can start today and see results in your first week. Click the link in the description to get your Boss Budget Tracker now, and choose the payment plan that works best for you. Take the mystery out of your money. Become the boss of your budget, starting today.